Today morning, I went for a walk. The both sides of roads were clean. I saw Nitin Bhai. We greeted each other, and I told him, "अच्छा काम करते हो," and he told me, "Thank you." I came back to home. Before I reached, my wife had changed the bed sheets, and my son was resting on the bed sheet. He told, "काफी साफ सुथरा है." Godliness, cleanliness is godliness, and sanitation is higher priority than independence. What told Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. Good evening, friends. My name is Jignesh Rawal. I am Swayam Sevak, and I'm here to giving speech on Swachhata. A spotless in India has been consistently fantasy of each Indian. The sanitation prompt a sound, ailment-free, and happy life. There are uncommon individuals in India who are very genuine about neatness, but irrespective of educations, the greater part of population students care about sanitation around them, irrespective of educations. The neatness of India is fundamental for the improvement of the nations. Let me start with sharing my own experience. I started working as a Swachhata Swayam Sevak in year 2017. I took charge of 3 society in surroundings area and 3 kilometer long stretch road. I won't explain exactly what I did, but I would like to share three clear-cut observations. Citizens don't throw garbage intentionally. Only thing we need to aware, it's their habit. Second thing, government officials are ready to work. Only rigorous follow-up and tactical approach yield the results. And third one, citizens should use government helplines very effectively. We need to make them aware. So cleanliness in India and neatness in India is possible. So in 2014, Government of India started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Let me throw some light. There were six clear-cut objectives of Government of India. One is elimination of open defecation, which is major issue. Second one is eradication of manual scavenging. Third one is modern and scientific uh, solid waste management in every municipality. Fourth one is to effect behavioral changes regarding healthy sanitation practices. And fifth one, generate awareness about sanitations and its linkage with public health. And sixth one, important capacity augmentation for urban local bodies. They came with the six objective. They have put service level parameters of evaluation covered. They did. They took five parameters. One is planning. Second one is communication. Third is waste management. Fourth one is sanitation, and fifth is also a part of sanitation. So what they are planning, they did planning. There were a strategy for open defecation free town, which is called ODF, an integrated solid waste management system. Second one is communication. They were providing information, education, and behavior change communication strategy. Waste management, door-to-door collection, which is very important, sweeping, collection, and again transportation. Sanitation, public and community toilet provision, and sanitation, second part, individual household latrines. So what we achieved as a nation, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, it was not only on paper, but as per the data from Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, what we could able to do, we could able to build more than 28 lakhs toilets. Second, we could able to build 1 lakh 7,000 community and public toilets. Third one, in across India, there is 405 city. There were defection, open defecation free, 100% door-to-door collection wards. In every municipality, there is a ward. So more than 39,000 ward where door-to-door collection facility were available. Very significant achievement. Waste to energy. There were a project, and we could able to generate 99.4% megawatt energy, which is a significant achievement of Government of India. And fifth one, you will surprise to know, waste to compost, almost 1,65,000 metric ton of compost we could able to produce. Is it a small achievement? Appropriate cleanliness and tidiness can change the image of India worldwide. We can attract more sightseers consistently, which will help us to improve our economy as well. It will change the image of the India. There are good number of participants over here. I would like to request what you need to clean the India. You need to spend a half an hour time of a week. Okay, it means only 2 hours a month and only 24 hours a year. It means you have to spend only 1 hour time in 365 days to make India clean. So I request all of you to spend at least one day in 1 year to change the image of India as a very neat and tidy country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Swachh Bharat, and Sashakta Bharat. Thank you all of you for patience hearing.
Production Cult.